Hello friends, what if your entire automation script stop just because one device fails? Sounds risky, right? So in this video I will show you how to fix that using Python error handling. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Explore IT Issues Solution for All. This is day 5 of our automation series. So in the previous video we learned how to automate multiple Cisco devices using Python and Netmiko, but today's we will make our script smarter and production ready. Okay, so let's first understand the problem. Here I have a simple script that connects to the multiple devices, but I have intentionally used the wrong password here for one device. See this, correct? So now let's run this. Okay, so we are going with our CMD and type. So I'll just show you how to go to inside this. So again I'm logging CMD, just go to the desktop, because we have run the file in the desktop, because this file is in the desktop, in our desktop I like. So this one, so I'm just error fix this one, error handling.py. Okay, so I'm done this. First I go to the desktop, cd the directory. So we am going to the cd desktop, enter, then cd, and I'm not going other one because this file is pasted in the desktop. So I'm just run this file using a Python. So Python space error handling, this one. So now press enter here, enter, and it's trying to connect one of the device. So see this, our one device password is wrong, then our entire script is stop here, correct? So we need to fix this issue, because, and the most important things, the script stopped completely, the second device did not even run. So now imagine you have 100 devices in your network. If just one device fail like this, your entire automation stops. So that's not acceptable in the real world on a production environment. So how to do we fix this? We use error handling in Python using try and except block. Okay, so this is our error fix script here. So in this script we are using try and except block. Okay, so your final code. So this is our final code. Like this we have added in the same code. I am copied from here to here and add one command, try, this one, print fail, then number of connecting of device like IP, then connection header, device, and connection enabled. So output is equal to connections.send command the show version. Suppose that I am just got the output like this. Okay, so inside this try block we are write the normal code which we accept to run successfully. If the username password is wrong, this block will be handle it. So if the device is unreachable or network issue occur, this block will catch the time. Now let's run this script. Okay, so I'm just coming in this command prompt and run our another file name error fix script. Now I'm going to enter, then see the output here what we get. So just enter connecting the first device 200 is authentication is fail, and second device 201 is connected and output saved in this file, text file successfully. So I'll just show you this file is here or not. See this one. So we got this text file output. So that is our script fix error fix issue like this. Okay, so think of it like a team. If one member fail, the rest of the team continues working like this script. So today we learn how to handle errors in the network automation and makes your script more reliable and production ready. And automation without error handling is risky, but with the error handling is become a powerful. Correct? So if you are serious about the learning real world network automation, make sure to subscribe to this channel. In the next video, we will learn how to automate device using a CSV file for the large scale automation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thanks.